Hello, what's up all? Welcome and welcome back again to our channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. And for our videos, I hope you usually get one idea or two ideas from us that will really motivate us. If you're learning something from us, you can tell us in the comment section below. So in today's video, we are going to be making a coffee table for our client. And if you have seen the first clip of the video, I started by welding or making this frame that you see on the screen. I started making the frame. So for this coffee table, it's custom made because I usually make a lot of custom made things. So the measurements are a bit tricky to tell you because I usually go with the measurements for the clients because we usually work with the space we are going to be putting the item we are making. So for the measurements, you can just do with your own measurements. Yeah, I hope you understand now. So for this one, my client wanted this design, and I started by joining these pieces together. I did make this design that you see, and then later on I did use a car filler to fill these parts that you see me sanding down, because the car filler usually smoothens these corners so that it brings a continuous and smooth surfaces. That is, when you paint them, it will be a neat work. You won't see the joints or the welding particles there. So when you use the car filler to fill the gaps or the holes and everything, your outcome will be smooth. So now here I'm just drilling these small pieces that I did attach to the top of this table, so that I can use them to screw down the top, because I'm using a block board top for this one. And then for the frame, my client wanted a black frame, so now I'm just going to be spray painting it black and let it dry. And while it's drying, I'm going to be making the top part of it. So if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting and coming back and watching and liking our videos. Comment on this video, tell me what you think about this coffee table. So now here, as you can see, I'm preparing the top as I said earlier, and I'm going to be using contact glue to attach this this marble top to the board that you see. And then after that, you will see the whole process. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment on this video, like and share.